welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I post things on my channel usually Thursdays and Sundays. And today we're going to be opening up one of my favorite subscription boxes. It's the Allure beauty box for May. We're in May 2023. And I know it's probably the same size, but it feels bigger. You know? Maybe it's just me. Anyway, if you are new to Allure Beauty Box, you've never heard of it, I'll leave more in the description down below. But it is a monthly beauty subscription. They curate everything for you. It comes from the editors at Allure Beauty. So I think everybody gets the same box. Unless you're new, then you get like one extra different item, but that's about it. Let's open it together and see what I got. Ooh. Let's see. The best gift for Mother's Day or any day, which is like super true. And then they have like a little GQ box. I'd probably use more of these things than the guys would, but that's just me. Oh, it says Happy Mother's Day from Allure Beauty. Get like a little pamphlet that tells us about the box, a little bit from the Deputy Beauty Director, Elizabeth. And then about the products we received. So let's just go through it one by one together. The first item is from, Sunday Riley. I do like this brand. It's B3 Nice 10% Niacinamide Serum. Where? No. So I guess we get the full size for 60, because this is not a sample small, tiny, little itty bitty size. This is going to be the full size. I don't know why we're double wrapped. I kind of like it. It's nice, like to open something inside of something. But here it is. This says 1 fluid ounce. Where does it? Yeah, 1 fluid ounce. 65 doll hairs. Wow, that's a lot of doll. Huh. Like, the packaging is beautiful. Like, is all this necessary? It's gorgeous, though. I'm not even gonna lie. The stuff from Sunday Riley really works so well on my skin, too. So if you're looking for a skincare brand to start with, number one, I'm gonna recommend First Aid Beauty. But then Sunday Riley is, like, up there. Just saying. It gives us a little information on how to use it. So it can be used day and night. After cleansing, simply apply. Seal in with a moisture, with a face cream. And then you're good to glow. Not good to go. Glow. Go glow. Glow. It says here why you'll love it. Unlike a lot of other potent antioxidant serums, B3 Nice doesn't have an off-putting smell. I don't think any of my serums really have an off-putting smell. Maybe I'm just used to it? I wonder. It doesn't have any noticeable scent. Its milky texture feels oh so comforting on the skin, dries down almost immediately, and doesn't pill under moisturizer. That's always so good. Ugh. Yeah, I'm using that. Can't have it. I'm using. Ooh. Okay, next. The next item is from REFY. It's a brow pomade? Retail price $20 doll hairs. I don't think I've tried a brow pomade. A brow pomade. I cannot talk today. Brow pomade. How you'll use it, you dip the brush into the pomade and a few sweeps through your brows are all it takes to fill them in. Huh. That's cool. Apparently this is what it looks like. Apparently. There's light, medium, and dark. It says in this box, the REFY brow pomade in one of 3 shades. Why you'll love it. On the side of its dual end wand, you'll find a potted pomade for filling in brows. And on the other, it's a super soft angled brush to apply it with. Unique texture of the pomade, sheer matte tint to your chest, giving fuller brow. So did I pick? I did not. Medium. Which, like, I know is so weird because I have, like, the blonde hair kind of thing almost going here. But when I do my brows darker, it looks better, which is weird because I use, like, a blonde or a light brow pencil, or I'll bleach my brows and it's, like, it doesn't look complete, you know? So, I'm gonna have to try this. Never have I ever tried a brow pomade. $20 hairs. Ooh, the next item is from UOMA. UOMA Beauty. Let me pull it up here. I've gotten this before in a few other subscription boxes too. It's the UOMA Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner in Ross. $16 hairs. In a pretty neutral pink, it's deliciously creamy lip liner, gives a crisp look, longevity to any lipstick or gloss. Huh. So you can use the pencil to trace your and slightly reshape your lip line and then fill in your lips before applying a lipstick or a gloss. Self-explanatory. Okay. The color looks pretty. Like, on here they show you the color, which I think is really neat. Oh, there's another item on here. I was going to turn the next page. It is a item from KIBON Beauty. It's a revitalizing face mask. $13 hairs for one. You look like an egg. Lift and firming. I do love sheet masks. Oh. Since I started doing that tretinoin thing, like, sheet masks and me are BFFs. So, $13 hairs. It says how to use it. Wear the mask for how you'll use it. Wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then massage any serum it leaves behind into your skin for extra hydration. Okay. Why am I gonna love it? For a just came from the spa glow. Pop on this sheet mask. Yeah, no. I'm probably gonna. I want to, like, right now, but I have, like, this face and I have, like, a few things I need to do, and this is gonna get used. I'm excited. $13. I'm gonna use it though. Just saying. Ooh. And then there's two more items in here. The next item is from Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. Always good to get dry shampoo, I guess. I think I've gotten dry shampoo in here before. I have a feeling I don't use dry shampoo as much as the rest of the world does. So maybe I need to start. I don't know, I'm just really good about, like, my shampoo wash days, I guess. Is that weird? Probably. Anywho, so for $6 you get 1 ounce. This is not 1 ounce, this is 0.75 ounces. So for $6 you get the full size. That's a little baby. It says shake hands, spray it onto your roots from about a foot away, and enjoy the time you save by not shampooing. I probably will. So it says the reasons why we're gonna love it. The spray checks every dry shampoo box that you want. It adds volume without feeling like anything is in your hair, and it doesn't leave behind a visible residue. I'm gonna try it. I just washed my hair too. Like, the glow is there. The frizz is there too, but the glow is there. And the last item in the box is from Mighty Patch, or Hero Cosmetics Mighty Points Patch, the original. Retail price $12.99. These are really good. They work pretty good. I don't know if you could tell this whole time I've had this cute little, like, buddy popping out right here. So we're gonna get real close later. I'm pretty sure I've already used all of my other little pimple patches, so these will be used immediately. $12.99. How to use it: stick it onto a pimple before bed, remove it 6 to 8 hours later after the clear sticker turns white. Well, that's it. That's everything. Oh, and then it says revamp your beauty routine in 2023 with the member store right here. Ooh, Reader's Choice Award Winners box. I already have like a bunch of these items in here, so I'm probably not going to get that. But this box was pretty good. Ooh. And the box on the bottom, oh my gosh, it says, "We love to make you blush." I think that's so cute. I love my Allure beauty boxes. I was hella hesitant at first because of the price tag compared to other subscription boxes I get. But I need to be honest and let you know it's worth it. For me, it's worth it. I'm trying new products. I'm trying high-end products. I get full size and sample size, which is good and bad. There's really not much in here that I've gotten that I don't try or use. So yeah, I think this box is gonna stay along with all the products that I got. I love it. I'm gonna use it. Ah. Did you guys enjoy this month's box? I know I did. I'm gonna go because I have to go put a pimple patch on my nose here before it takes over. I will catch you next time. Bye.